Today's video, I show you guys all-in-one fixer pack for GTA Vice City that fixes crashes, adds widescreen support, improves overall stability. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just navigate to the game folder, just right click on the game. If it doesn't have in desktop shortcut, just navigate to the game folder and then just drag up all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and now launch the game. And now you can play the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.